America's manufacturing story is changing. After decades of decline, a new industrial revolution is taking root, reviving towns, redrawing the map, and creating new opportunities. Which states are leading this comeback? Let's count down the top 10, some may surprise you. This is the story of America's manufacturing resurgence happening right now. Number 10 is Texas, a state where everything is bigger, including its manufacturing boom. Texas has long been known for its vast landscapes and independent spirit, but now it's making headlines for its explosive growth in industry and production. Texas attracts giants from automotive to tech, thanks to a business-friendly climate and no state income tax. Major corporations are setting up shop here, drawn by incentives, affordable land, and a supportive government that encourages innovation and expansion. People are flocking here from across the country, fueling a deep and diverse talent pool for new factories. This influx of skilled workers is helping Texas factories ramp up production and stay competitive on a global scale. Tesla's Gigafactory and Samsung's massive semiconductor plant are just the start. These high-profile projects are paving the way for even more investment and innovation in the state. These aren't just factories, they're symbols of a new era for Texas, representing high-tech jobs, economic opportunity, and a future built on advanced manufacturing. Texas isn't just participating in the manufacturing renaissance, it's leading it, setting the pace for the rest of the nation with its bold vision and relentless drive. The Lone Star State's influence is only growing, and its role as a manufacturing powerhouse is just getting started. Number 9 is Tennessee, a state often called the Crossroads of America for good reason. It's the logistical heart of the eastern U.S., where highways, railroads, and rivers all converge, making it a vital hub for moving goods. Thanks to its central location, products shipped from Tennessee can reach 80% of Americans in just 2 days. A huge edge for businesses looking to deliver quickly and efficiently. The state's aggressive incentives and workforce development programs attract major companies like Volkswagen and GM, while also preparing local talent for high-tech jobs. The auto industry thrives here, with thousands of vehicles produced every day and a strong network of suppliers supporting growth. But it's not just about cars. Advanced materials and medical device manufacturing are rising fast, diversifying Tennessee's economy and creating new opportunities. Tennessee blends its historic manufacturing roots with a forward-looking vision, embracing innovation while honoring tradition. It's a true crossroads where American manufacturing's past and future meet, shaping the next chapter of industry in the U.S. With smart strategy and investment, Tennessee's approach is paying off, making it a model for other states to follow. At number 8, Georgia has quietly built itself into an industrial powerhouse. The Port of Savannah and Atlanta's airport make it a logistics giant. Georgia's Quick Start program ensures companies have skilled workers from day one. Electric vehicle makers like Rivian and Hyundai are investing big. Food processing, aerospace, and advanced materials also thrive here. Georgia's integrated approach has created a true empire of industry. The Empire State of the South is just getting started. Number 7 is North Carolina, where tradition meets innovation. The Research Triangle Park, powered by top universities, drives tech and advanced manufacturing. Biotech, pharmaceuticals, and IT are converging with production. A steady stream of talent fuels a self-sustaining ecosystem. Companies come for the brainpower, not just the costs. North Carolina is now a leader in biomanufacturing, aerospace, and EV supply chains. The state's knowledge-based economy is redefining American manufacturing. Number 6 is Ohio, once the heart of the Rust Belt, now reborn. Ohio's manufacturing DNA is fueling a new era led by tech and resilience. Intel's massive semiconductor plant near Columbus is a game-changer. The auto industry is shifting to electric vehicles and batteries. Ohio's expertise attracts new players and creates a tech ecosystem. The Rust Belt label no longer fits. Ohio is writing a powerful comeback story. The Silicon Heartland is here. Number 5 is Indiana, a quiet but mighty manufacturing powerhouse. Low taxes, stable regulations, and fiscal discipline make it business-friendly. Manufacturing is in Indiana's DNA, from steel to autos. Now it's expanding into life sciences, microelectronics, and EVs. Indiana's culture values making things, and it shows. The Hoosier hustle is about steady, consistent growth. Indiana proves you don't need flash to be a leader. Number 4 is South Carolina, now a global magnet for automotive and aerospace. BMW's Spartanburg plant sparked an industrial ecosystem. The state is a key player in the electric vehicle transition. Boeing's Dreamliner plant made South Carolina an aerospace leader. Pro-business policies and workforce training fuel this ascent. State and local officials partner closely with industry. South Carolina's transformation is a model for high-tech manufacturing. Number 3 is Alabama, rewriting its story with high-tech manufacturing. Mercedes-Benz's gamble paid off, drawing Hyundai, Honda, and Toyota Mazda. Alabama is now a top auto producer. Huntsville is a hub for aerospace and rocket technology. Aggressive incentives and the ADT workforce program attract global giants. Alabama's underdog status is now its strength. The state's advanced manufacturing base is the envy of many. Number 2 is Arizona, the epicenter of America's semiconductor boom. TSMC and Intel are investing billions in Phoenix area chip fabs. Arizona's stable environment and talent pipeline make it ideal for high-tech manufacturing. The chip boom is attracting suppliers and fueling growth in EVs and tech. Arizona State University and state leaders prepared for this surge. Arizona is now a critical node in the global tech supply chain. The future is being built in the desert. Number 1 is Michigan, the ultimate comeback story. Once the symbol of decline, Michigan is now leading the next era of mobility. Ford, GM, and Stellantis are investing billions in EVs and batteries. Startups and tech companies are flocking to Michigan's engineering talent. The state's Office of Future Mobility coordinates this transformation. Michigan's manufacturing legacy is now its launchpad for the future. The state that put the world on wheels is driving the next revolution. From the sun-baked deserts of Arizona, where new factories rise from the sand and transform the horizon, to the bustling assembly lines of Michigan's legendary auto factories, America's industrial map is being redrawn before our eyes, shifting in ways few could have predicted just a decade ago. Each state is discovering its own unique formula for economic success, blending deep-rooted history with bold, forward-thinking vision, and adapting to new challenges and opportunities. This transformation is about more than just creating jobs, it's about breathing new life into communities, restoring hope, and securing a brighter future for generations to come. The competition between states is fierce, with each region striving to attract investment and talent, and the story of this industrial revival is still unfolding. Did your state make the list of rising industrial powerhouses? The landscape is changing fast. The next big move, the next breakthrough, could be just around the corner, waiting to reshape the nation once again. Subscribe for more insights and updates on America's evolving economic journey. The story is just getting started, and you won't want to miss what happens next.